Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a cozy, flavorful packed dish, Tofu Puffs with minced pork. Just look at this. The tofu puffs soak up all that rich sauce. Steaming hot and so inviting. You already know this is going to taste amazing. First, let's prepare the tofu puffs. Take each one and snip a little cut at the corner. This way the sauce can really get inside. Now chop up some pork belly into small mince. For aromatics, I've got chopped chili peppers, minced garlic, some scallion stems cut into sections. Alright, everything is ready. Let's start cooking. Heat some oil in the wok. Add the minced pork and stir fry until it's cooked through. Then toss in the aromatics and let them release that beautiful fragrance. Now season it up. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 5 grams of oyster sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir fry until everything comes together. Pour in some water. Let it come to a boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the tofu puffs. Time to season: 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG. Let it simmer gently for another 2 to 3 minutes. As it bubbles, press the tofu puffs lightly with your spatula so they drink up all that sauce like sponges. Now drizzle in some cornstarch slurry, little by little, to thicken the sauce. See that? The sauce turns glossy and clings beautifully to the tofu. Finish with a tablespoon of cooking oil. Give it all a quick stir and it's ready to plate. Look at this! A steaming hot bowl, tofu puffs bursting with flavor. Let me try one. Wow! Oh man, one bite and the juices just explode in your mouth. So aromatic, so satisfying. It's super easy to make. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.